Hi, today I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of being a lawn care business owner. Are you thinking of jumping in? Here is what I have learned in the last 30 years in the industry. Before diving in, it's crucial to weigh its advantages and disadvantages. Here's a balanced look to help guide your decision. Being your own boss tops the list of pros. It offers unparalleled freedom, letting you make all key decisions, set your own schedule, and directly influence your success. However, this autonomy demands high self-motivation and discipline. Lawn care also allows flexible hours, a blessing for anyone needing to juggle work with personal commitments. Yet, the job still requires timely completion of tasks. Startup costs for a lawn care business are relatively low. Basic equipment and advertising are your primary initial expenses, making it accessible for many. A steady income is another significant advantage. With regular clients, lawn care services can ensure a consistent cash flow, which is crucial for any business's stability. Moreover, lawn care work promotes physical fitness, offering a healthy dose of exercise through tasks like mowing, which benefits both heart and muscles. In these uncertain times, lawn care presents a resilient business opportunity. Its services remain in demand regardless of economic downturns or pandemics, making it a reliable venture. Starting it as a side hustle can be smart. This allows you to test the waters without quitting your day job, providing extra income and valuable experience. The size of your business is in your hands. Whether part-time or full-time, the flexibility to grow at your own pace is a huge plus. Work is abundant in lawn care. A robust marketing strategy, coupled with quality service, can quickly build a strong customer base. However, the seasonal nature of lawn care poses a challenge. Diversifying services can help offset income fluctuations during off-peak seasons. Physical demands are high. The job involves labor-intensive tasks, often in extreme weather conditions, making it unsuitable for everyone. Weather resistance is a must. Working through rain, though unpleasant, sometimes becomes necessary, requiring the right gear and attitude. Vacation planning must consider business cycles, with peak seasons limiting downtime opportunities. Exceptional organization skills are essential for managing schedules, invoicing, and ensuring customer satisfaction amid varying weather conditions. Competition is fierce, given the low barrier to entry. Standing out through superior service and prompt response can secure your market position. Lastly, regulatory compliance cannot be overlooked. Licenses, permits, and certifications vary by location, requiring thorough research and adherence. In summary, a lawn care business offers a unique blend of flexibility, low startup costs, and resilience against economic shifts. With proper planning, physical readiness, and a commitment to service, it can be a lucrative and fulfilling venture. If you would like to read the full article, you will find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe, and meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns and have fun.